Uba kerman shilla MLA na clear but menteri badi kmi ya katnat excise ka sorkar jilla long ba Drok Rung na kiwei banta ka jilla amdai Tang ba East Jaiñtia Hills District. Hapakran sigilap sai kubor khandru trek nai tungar jobsan uba kerman long bagadongkam ka chingi tre lang ban job you Drok tham dak penno ba wan Rung nakanu district sha ka jilla hakawai pakaliang uba kerman long bagada khamle Tyngeh ka chingperkam Drok kala ban Hiar Hynrei Kyndon ki kanon an ki bahab ban bur renti.
Do you believe that East Jaiñtia Hills is a transit route?
Yes, of course, it is a transit route, but not only for drugs, for everything. But drugs also could be a part of it. And I remember at the time when Vivekananda, he was at the SP there. Many times we got drugs, and even the recent SP also, we used to catch a lot of drugs. So that is how we try to tackle. But to enter Meghalaya, not only one route. We have so many routes, international and even the state connectivity is there. But East Jaiñtia is one only, but not the only. East Jaiñtia is one route, but not the only route that drugs can come to our state. So we have to think and then take a proper action where even the other route also should be well protected. Otherwise, if we concentrate only East Jaiñtia Hills, what if it comes from where else and they sell it to East Jaiñtia Hills? So I am here not to blame anybody. It could be from anywhere. Whenever there's from Jaiñtia Hills, I have seen our police officers, they take care, the narcotic team is there, and most of the time they catch them. But still drug is still involved within our state. So for this, I would like to request all the officers, especially the district SPs, that they should be take it seriously within their own district, so that even they also will tackle the drugs together with us, and then we can make it. And I could see that our children in East Jaiñtia Hills, as of now, I don't know exactly the numbers, but we are one of the highest maybe in the state when it comes to users of drugs. So one day I could see it will be the light of the day that our children will be aware of drugs. They will be no one, and that will be the achievement. So hoping for what that they could overcome drugs. And I could be a little rude when it comes to drugs. If we give a strong direction, a strong maybe kind of sentence to drug peddlers, then they'll reduce the number automatically. But the law has to really be very stringent and then take a strong direction, maybe give a strong direction, and then the sentence whichever way they feel. But it should be very strong, not too big. Because with a small quantity, if you are caught, that means you can still consider it's for your own consumption. That small amount of drugs, thora make it big. So I don't know, I am not an expert and I cannot, always say against the law, but I wish the law is very strong and then take a proper action and then give a sentence whichever they feel necessary, but a strong, sentence should be given to those peddlers.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi bana kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.